Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your dryer is making a thump sound. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Your dryer thumps because of the load inside, prolonged non-use, or not being leveled. To fix these, check the load. Items like sheets, curtains, and tablecloths ball up in the dryer and bang against the drum, creating a thumping sound. To fix this, regularly separate these items during a drying cycle. Also, avoid placing tennis shoes. These also bang against the drum, making a thumping sound. Instead, use a dry rack. Let your dryer adjust to being used. Prolonged non-usage causes the support rollers to flatten. When used, these rollers produce a thumping sound. To fix this, let the dryer run for some time. The rollers will regain their shape and the thumping will stop. Inspect the leveling legs. Unplug your dryer and pull it from the wall. Lean it against a wall and inspect the leveling legs. Look for wear or damage. If damaged, unwind the legs and replace them with a new set. Once done, stand your dryer and rock it to ensure it's stable. Adjust the legs if your dryer rocks. Restore power to the appliance, and there you have it. That's why your dryer is making a thump sound. Thanks for watching. Till next time.